Hola clase! Today we are learning how to use trigonometry to get one side. I will give you a step-by-step and then we will make an example together. Before starting, there are a couple of things I need to know. I need to know my trigonometric reasons, sine, cosine and tangent, and how to rearrange. If I need help on how to rearrange, there will be videos about it somewhere. Now, the how-to step by step. First, I need to find the side that I need. Remember, I'm going to be working with right-angled triangles, and somewhere in there, it's the side that I have to find. Then I need to find one angle and one side with values, with numbers that I can easily see. And then I will use a trigonometric reason that uses both sides, depending on the ones that I've got and the ones that I want. Let's see all these in an example. Here they ask me to find L, which is a side in this right angle triangle. Apart of that, I've got one angle of 41 degrees and one side of 6.5 meters. So, first of all, remember, green, I don't write it, is what happens in my mind. I need to find the side that I need. This L here, I want. From the angle, that side is the opposite, is the one that is not touching it. Then I need to find a side that I have values for. This 6.5 is the hypotenuse. And that angle I've got. In thinking of trigonometric reasons, the sine of x is the opposite over the hypotenuse, cosine of x adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent of x is the opposite over adjacent. And I've been thinking, what do I have so I can use which one? I don't know anything about the adjacent side, and I have something about the opposite, so I cannot use the tangent. For the cosine, I've got the hypotenuse, nothing about the adjacent, that doesn't work. I've got hypotenuse, and I've got an opposite. The opposite side is the one that I want to know, and the hypotenuse is the one that I actually have a value for. So this is a trigonometric reason I will use. So once I've thought about that, I can begin writing. So I write which I'm going to use. Sine of x equals opposite over hypotenuse. And then I will begin substituting, putting things that I know. Sine of 41 degrees, that's the angle. It's the same as opposite side, which is L, what I want, over 6.5 meters, which is the hypotenuse. From there, I can rearrange. That 6.5 will pass multiplying. 6.5 times the sine of 41 degrees would be L. And then I can do the calculations, and that gives me that L equals 4.26 meters. That is my final answer, so I square it so it's always easy to find, and I'm done. Now it's your turn to go and practice. Thanks for watching.